Hello, dear brothers and sisters. Your body is not just bones and muscles. It is a sacred garden where hormones flow like gentle, nourishing dew. With time, these inner sources may become quieter, but they never truly run dry. Today, I invite you into a space where distance does not exist. My palms become antennas, transmitting chi energy through the subtle connection between us. I draw energy from heaven and earth and gently guide it toward you. Through your attention, this flow begins to move into your body, into your inner centers of balance and strength. Feel the energy arriving. A soft warmth touches your face. Now, allow yourself to sit or lie down comfortably. Gently close your eyes and feel the space around you begin to change. We are now in a shared field of energy. The air feels denser, alive, gently charged. You may notice a light tingling in your hands or a soft, pulsing sensation. Warmth may appear in your face as if gentle waves are touching your skin. Your body becomes open and receptive, ready to receive. Now bring your attention to the center of your head. You may feel a soft pressure or a gentle coolness in your forehead. Imagine a soft, diffused light filling the space inside your head. Your mind becomes quiet. Your head feels light, almost weightless. Inside there is a vast, open space, like a deep night sky. From this space, a deep calm begins to spread through your entire body. Now feel this light slowly moving downward to the base of your neck, to the area of your throat. I gently guide the energy into this space. Your throat becomes warm, soft, relaxed. Any tension begins to dissolve. Your neck releases and becomes free. Imagine your thyroid as a soft, glowing butterfly resting in warm sunlight. This warmth goes deeper, balancing your inner rhythm and restoring harmony within your body. Now the flow moves into your chest, into the center of your being. Your chest begins to feel as if it is breathing. You may notice a gentle expansion, like a flower slowly opening. This is your immune center. It is awakening, becoming stronger, more alive. A pleasant warmth fills your chest. A feeling of safety and inner strength begins to grow. Now bring your attention to the area below your navel. I draw a deep, grounding energy and gently transmit it to you. Feel a warm, dense sensation in your lower back, like a soft, protective embrace. Your body absorbs this energy. Your abdomen becomes warm, stable, grounded. This is your inner power. Your energy is being restored. Now imagine all these centers connecting into one through a single golden thread. All the warmth in your body merges into one smooth, flowing current. Your body begins to feel whole, balanced, aligned. There are no separate parts anymore. Only one harmonious system, working in perfect flow. Take a slow, deep breath. Feel a warm sphere of energy in your lower abdomen. This is your reserve of strength, your inner battery. Stay here for a few moments, allowing this state to settle deeply within you. And when you are ready, Gently bring your awareness back and slowly open your eyes. Thank you for being here with me.